Hello everyone. Today, we will draw an airplane. First we take a pencil to draw the big shapes. Draw a diagonal line. Draw a cylinder for the body with two ovals between two parallel lines. Draw the front with a curve for the cockpit and a semicircle for the nose. The backside curves up, the tail fin is a triangle with a rounded tip. The wings angle towards the back. They also have a triangle shape with a rounded tip. Draw the engines with an oval for the opening, add an outline around it to complete the shape. The tail wings are like mini versions of the big wings. Draw the windows between two straight lines. Draw evenly spaced lines that follow the curve of the body. The door also has a slight curve. The cockpit window curves around the front. And our pencil sketch is done. Now we take a black marker to draw the clean lines and add details. Draw a double line for the space between the windows. Round off the corners of the windows and door. Draw the intersections of the wings with the body. And our line work is done. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. We can color the windows blue and add a logo to the tail fin. You can use the first letter of your name if you want your own airline. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Where will your plane take you? Soaring high above the clouds? Gliding over the ocean? Or has it just landed at the airport? Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.